How can you respect differences in the workplace? What can you do to encourage employees to acknowledge and celebrate their coworkers' differences? By learning more about your employees and coworkers, you can build a diverse and inclusive workplace that celebrates differences. Learn how you can build a more respectful workplace in respecting differences in the workplace. This course will help you be knowledgeable of gender and sexual differences, acknowledge and respect racial and cultural differences, and identify and overcome generational gaps in the workplace. Build a more inclusive workplace where all employees feel respected and are encouraged to be their authentic selves. Learn how in Respecting Differences in the Workplace.